Hello, here's a quick introduction to InterSystems DX Jetpack 2024 edition. It has three new extensions in the extension pack: InterSystems REST API Explorer, InterSystems Studio Style Workspace Creator, and InterSystems Server-Side Workspace Folder Tuner. I'll give you a short demo of each of those features. First, REST Explorer. In Server Manager, there's a new icon here, the REST API Explorer. Clicking on this will launch the familiar Swagger UI Explorer for REST APIs on the server that you picked on the left-hand side. Nothing has to be installed on the server to achieve this. You can choose in there any of the REST APIs that the server is publishing. With this example, I will go and find out more about the get of the root endpoint of the Atelier API. And I'll go and use the try it out button and run the execute. And down here we have a response body showing the outputs from that. Second feature I'll show is the studio style workspace. And go and find the namespace that you're interested in. I'll pick Demo Dev 1 here. There's a new icon on the row called Add Studio Style Folder Set. I will click on that, and over on my workspace on my VS Code Explorer, I'll use the collapse to show that what I've now got is a 4-folder multi-root workspace, looking just like the structure that InterSystems Iris Studio presented. First folder shows the classes. Second one, routines, if there are any. Third folder, CSP application files. And the fourth folder, everything else, in this case BPLs, DTLs, X12 schema. The third extension, server-side workspace folder tuner, allows you very quickly to change the characteristics of one of your ISFS folders for when you're doing server-side editing. For example, by default, a workspace folder shows class of packages that have been mapped in from other databases on the server, ENTSLib, ENTSPortal in this example, and CSPX. The new extension means that I can right-click on the top and use one of these, any of these three new menu options. I'll choose to hide mapped items, and now my classes folder only shows demo package and this other package of mine. If I go into here and say, let's show the mapped items, we've got the library items, library packages back in place. If I also want to show the system items, I can do that. And now we have all the percents. And of course I can revert that, hide the system items. Occasionally you're interested in seeing the generated items, which may be classes or more commonly int routines. Here, if I go and take a look at the routines view of my studio style workspace, go and say I will hide the mapped items, and then go and say show the generated items, and now I can find the hello world.1.int routine that was generated from this particular CSP page down here. So that's a quick intro. I hope you find it interesting. If you like the extension pack, please consider supporting it in the current developer community contest. Thanks for watching.